So this is a project that we did in High Park, and it's a high profile spot inside the city of Toronto. So it's a couple acre wetland, and as you can see, we have the wildflower species on the edge of the pond, and then as you go down into the pond you get more emergent species, and then as you go down into the water you get more submergent species. And you can see that there's butterflies and there's pollinators on the edges of the pond, and in the middle of the pond there's a duck. So I want to show you how to do that and how to draw in all this wildlife. So this is an example of a wetland project that we did. So this was basically a field with a wet area, and what we did was we dug a 1 acre pond and we restored that area. So once you put the plants in and you create the different zones, then you'll quickly establish that pond system. And this is what the property looks like 2 years later. So you can see there's all sorts of species have come in. There's sedges, there's rushes, there's all sorts of wildflower species, and they're all wet-loving species. They like having their feet wet. So this is some of the stream restoration work we did at the back of the property. So it had a dammed area that was a couple acres worth of pond, and what we did is we lowered the dam. Initially there was a standpipe on top of the pipe there, and we took 3 feet off and lowered it down. And what that did was open up the back half of the pond, and it became mud flat, and we did the restoration work on the back half, seeding the area and planting it. And then we took the stop out of the bottom of the project and of the dam, and we allowed the stream to open back up again and flow naturally. And because of that, we restored the initial section,